Devraj,
Yes, sir.
are you all prepared?
Yes, sir. Quite prepared, sir.
Quite prepared. Okay. So, say in brief something about you, what Devraj is all about.
Yes, sir. My name is Devraj Singh, and I was born and raised in Pali, Rajasthan. I am currently pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies with an average HGPA of 9.33. I got 81 percentage in 12th and 83 percentage in 10th. Uh, I have also completed my training from PWD Udaipur, a 1 month industrial training on multi-story building, construction of multi-story building. I have also done some online courses through online platforms like Coursera, and right now we are working on a project in which one can get a virtual view of building or any structure before the construction, and we can ensure that how the building will look. Also they can have the access of changing the material or any object in the interior design through the virtual reality. And for this we are working with the computer science students. So that is all about my project. And as of my hobbies, I like to do sketching, and I like basketball just for fun. Like I do not participate in anything. Just for fun I play basketball. That's all, sir.
Okay. And why civil?
Actually, sir, my brother is also civil engineering, and he is actually working in Pinnacle Infotech. uh,
Okay. What internal news or the tips he
no
has
sir,
given
I
in
still have
advance?
no sir, I still
That do
haven't gained
something
anything.
like that and then you will get selected.
No, sir, I still didn't talk to him about the company. I thought once I clear the written paper, I will talk to him about the company.
Once you will clear, then you will talk about some references, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is good. So, in which field you really want to go? What as a civil engineer, what is your aim in
Sir,
life?
actually, I like softwares in which build we can design buildings. So I think I want to join the Pinnacle Infotech because it is coming for BIM software. Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the designing field, if somebody want to make career, Pinnacle is a good option, right?
No, sir, I am not saying that Pinnacle is a good option, but I think uh, because Pinnacle is coming in our
Okay,
campus, so
Pinnacle is coming and you have the option in front of you, so
yes,
that's
sir.
why.
Yes, sir.
What kind of uh, uh, specific features about Pinnacle which you want to narrate and you want to just tell to us that what Pinnacle has something in it which makes Pinnacle better than other organizations?
Sir, I don't know if it is better than other organizations, but as I have researched about it, it is like it has growth in company, and it has based in Dubai, USA, Europe, and also in India. It is based in Jaipur and in West Bengal. I don't know the place, but uh, and of
Pinnacle
course it is.
Pinnacle is a Indian-based organization or it is based at somewhere another and the office in India.
Offices, I'm talking about the offices, sir. It has some offices
No,
in
no, but
India.
from which place it belongs? Pinnacle
Uh,
belongs from which the head office and the headquarter of
no, sir,
Pinnacle
I
belong
don't know
from
about
which
the
place?
head office and the headquarters, sir.
That you don't know.
Yes, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Pinnacle only do designing or they also have in the field of construction.
Yes, sir. The bigger departments of Pinnacle is deals with construction company, and the like training engineers and all are working on BIM softwares, in which they work on AutoCAD and Revit.
For example, somebody get a options in the field engineering kind of jobs for civil engineering, or somebody get an option for designing field. So which is more suitable
So
to the civil engineer?
it depends on the person. If he likes to work in field, he will go for the field. And like me, I am suitable. I am comfortable for with the softwares, so I will go for the
So
softwares.
growth opportunities are high in which field?
Both fields, I guess, sir.
Both field. What percentage you have, Devraj, recently in BTech?
Sir, average SGPA is 9.33, sir.
9.3.
Yes, sir.
You feel that percentage matters during an interview, or if somebody has a good percentage, it means he has a good capabilities or good knowledge. Is there
Sir,
any kind of
some
parameter of percentage related with the knowledge?
yes, sir. Somewhere it matters, but all the matters is the knowledge, I guess, sir. If he has percentage and not knowledge, then the percentage will not
So
be.
why the companies have the percentage criteria in all of the processes? Why they are not hiring somebody, the civil engineer who couldn't pass in their exams and could not cut through the percentage part?
Maybe, sir, they don't have the knowledge, so that they didn't pass the
It means
exams.
they are interrelated, percentage and the knowledge
Yes, sir. Somewhere, sir. Yes, sir.
somewhere. But in all the cases, it cannot be.
Yes, sir. Like one can knowledge of life experience, sir.
Tell me something about two or three qualities of your which can help you to get succeed in your that civil engineering field.
So, like, I am a quick learner, of course, and I am eager to learn new things every time. Like my friends are also. Uh, my environment is like this, so I like to learn few things, and of course, I am a detail-oriented person. Like I focus on some details, small details. So, yes, sir. That's all.
Okay, Devraj, nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Devraj.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. In which subject you are comfortable?
Sir, building material construction and concrete technology, sir.
Concrete technology, building material.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good, very good. And what about the planning, drawing?
Sir, I am quite familiar with the software, so yes, sir. Planning and drawing is also a part of my knowledge, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the orientation of building?
Orientation, sir. Planning and modeling of the building.
I'm asking about the orientation of building.
I don't know about the orientation of building, sir.
If any client will come in your office and he will ask for the drawing
Yes, sir.
for his or her residential building,
Yes, sir.
तो आप कौन कौन सी ड्राइंग उनको दोगे और क्यों?
The floor plan and the foundation plan, of course. 2D planning of that
मैंने उसकी
building.
ड्राइंग का नाम बताओ मेरे को तो डिटेल.
Drawing का नाम, sir. No idea, sir.
So Devraj,
Yes, sir.
what is reinforced cement concrete?
Sir, in reinforcement concrete, like because of the low tension stress of the tensile strength of the concrete, we use reinforce to increase the tensile strength in the concrete.
No,
And
no. I am asking about reinforced cement concrete.
the mixture,
RCC.
is the mixture of concrete and steel.
Right, right.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the steps in concreting?
The first in only concreting.
Only concreting.
The first is batching, then mixing, and then transportation and placing of concrete, and then curing.
And next,
Curing. Bas. Char step. There are only 4 steps, I guess.
okay. And my next question is, what is bleeding in concrete?
ओके ब्लीडिंग सर जब वाटर कॉन्क्रीट सरफेस पे वाटर बाहर निकलता है उस कॉन्क्रीट में सर दैट इज
Good.
यस सर
Good. And my last question is, what is pre-stressing?
प्री स्ट्रेसिंग इज
Yes.
आई डोंट नो अबाउट द प्री स्ट्रेसिंग कॉन्क्रीट सर सॉरी सर
Okay, okay.
Good afternoon, Devraj.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर
Okay. Uh, just describe your personality in 3 sentences.
my personality I am goal oriented, like my goal is to design some new types of buildings, and I am eager to learn new things. That's all, sir.
Okay. Devraj, which is the longest bridge in India?
Longest bridge in India?
Yeah.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. But you said you want to learn things about civil
Yes, sir.
engineering.
Yes, sir.
So, not a subject of your choice to find out things of engineering knowledge.
So I still have to research on that, and I will research on that. Sorry, sir.
Okay. The tallest building in the world,
Tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa, right now, sir.
what is the height?
Height, I don't know about the height, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. कुतुब मीनार से लंबी है छोटी है?
कुतुब मीनार से लंबी होगी, sir.
लंबी होगी.
Tallest building, it is the tallest building, so I guess, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just a simple question for a person like me who is not a civil engineer, right? What are the advantages of going vertical when it comes to town planning?
It will take less space of the ground,
Okay.
and the flow of air is will be nice if the area of building is tall. I guess. I don't know, sir.
Okay, Devraj, if you have to improve two things in your personality, what would they be?
In personality, sir, I have to work on my leadership skills, and also communication skills. I have to work on, sir.
You have to work on communication skills.
Yes, sir.
आप तो ठीक ही बोल रहे हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं लग रही है.
इनसे मैं एकदम से नहीं बोल पाता सर, जैसे अभी तो थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करके आया था, बट इन जीडी आई कैन नॉट स्पीक फास्ट यस सर.
Okay. Okay. Which was your favorite subject in the college and why?
Sir, my favorite subject, not kind of favorite, but I am quite interested in building material construction and concrete technology, and I have done also my training in that area in building construction.
So why that particular subject interests you?
I don't know, sir. The building, I like buildings and all, sir. That's why, sir.
Okay. Which is the most beautiful building of Udaipur as per you?
Most beautiful building of Udaipur. I like, sir. There is a hotel in Jagbandir, sir. That is Jagbandir. I know, but
Where is it?
I don't know. What was the name of the lake? I didn't get the name of the lake, sir.
Okay. You don't belong to Udaipur?
No, sir. I don't belong to Udaipur, sir.
Okay.
I have seen the Jagbandir from outside. That's why I didn't get chance to get inside the Jagbandir.
Okay. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Devraj, nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
So Devraj, as far as your answering is concerned, confidence level is concerned, I think there is no problem. Communication skills are good. As far as interview is concerned, I don't know about your GD part, as you said.
Yes,
If it is so, please work on it. Right? With communication skills means what? Basically, if you can speak, that is okay. Right? Now, GD, as we have been discussing all these days, that you'll have to work on articulation of the points and give them in short sentences and all those things. So I think that can be worked upon. Right?
Yes, sir.
As far as your academic record is concerned, I think it is good, rather good, right? But the level of answers, I don't find matching with your academic record actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as a civil engineer, whatever is of your interest with your academic record should be known to you, and the language that you use should also be technical terms. If I ask you about, say, a building in Udaipur, then it has to be in technical terms. As a civil engineer, why? Because if I'm asking it to someone else, if I'm asking it to an architect, if I'm asking it to a painter, it will be very different perspective, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm asking to a civil engineering, then it has to be from a civil engineering prospect or point of view. Right?
Yes, sir.
So please work on that. Otherwise, I think all good. All the best.
Thank you, sir.